Welcome to our GPU battle where we pit the PowerColor Red Devil AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT against the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Eagle OC. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision on your next graphics card purchase. When it comes to performance, the PowerColor Red Devil RX 9070 XT boasts a higher memory capacity of 16 GB GDDR6, making it an excellent choice for high-resolution gaming and demanding applications. In contrast, the GIGABYTE RTX 5070, with its 12 GB GDDR7, still offers impressive performance but may struggle in the most demanding scenarios. Both cards are designed for gamers, but the RX 9070 XT has the edge in raw power, especially for 4K gaming. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The PowerColor Red Devil features a robust cooling system designed to keep temperatures low, even under heavy load. Meanwhile, the GIGABYTE RTX 5070 utilizes the wind force cooling technology, which is effective but may not match the Red Devil's capabilities in extreme conditions. Gamers looking for sustained performance should consider the cooling solutions of both cards carefully. In terms of price, the PowerColor Red Devil RX 9070 XT comes at a premium price of $749, which may be justified by its superior performance and features. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE RTX 5070 is priced at $609, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers who still want solid performance without breaking the bank. Evaluating the price-to-performance ratio is essential for making the right choice based on your budget and gaming needs. In conclusion, both the PowerColor Red Devil RX 9070 XT and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Eagle OC have their strengths and weaknesses. The RX 9070 XT excels in performance and cooling but comes at a higher price, while the RTX 5070 offers great value for its price. Depending on your gaming needs and budget, either card could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.